Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Alina, and in today's tutorial I will show you how to create this super simple bracelet, which looks amazing, I think, because it has this micro crystal in the middle. Let me show you how it's looking when you close it. I choose a magnetic clasp. This is how it's looking. It's a great if you want to make it as a gift for somebody, because you can totally make not only one, maybe two in one sitting. It's a fast stitch. So the only thing I want to add is if you have this crystal, they need to be 2 millimeter in the middle. If not, you can add like I did. I add some 2 millimeter semi-precious stone. This is a hematite, but you can put any 2 millimeter beads you have. If you add 3 millimeter, it doesn't look so nice and elegant. I try it. So let me show you how it's looking on my wrist. So you can wear it even with your gold bracelet, your silver bracelet. You can even wear it like this, and it's a everyday bracelet that adds a little bit of glam to your outfit, I think. So without further ado, let's get started. As you can see, the material listed super short, so you're going to need a beading thread. I'm using Fireline as usual, smoke color. This is 6LB, but you can use 4 with no problem. Then you're going to need some Toho 8 seed beads. Any 8 or 6 beads you have, and the VIP of this design, which are the small crystals. Actually they are not crystals in my case, they are semi-precious stone, very small, 2 millimeter. So actually you be needed some 2 millimeter micro crystals, or any beads you have that are 2 millimeter, even pearls. But if you want to go for a sparkling look, I suggest use micro crystal. I know for the beaders in America, they are available on the in the beading shops, but in my country I couldn't find the micro crystal, so I opted for this semi-precious stone one. This is hematite. I will show you, for example, this gorgeous one, green. It's gold stone. So also 2 millimeter. So keep in mind you need 2 millimeter beads. I try with 3, it's not going so nice. I didn't like it, so it must be a 2 millimeter bead in the middle of the bracelet. And then you're going to need clasp of your choice and a beading needle, of course, and that's it. Let's get started. Start by adding 180 centimeter or 60-70 inches of thread, and then we're going to pick up 4 8 Toho seed beads. So I have 4 here, and then I'm going to slide them and leave a tail about 20 centi or 6-7 inches. Now I will just go through the first 2 beads I added, just like this. If it's easy, you can add a stop bead if you think the beads are sliding too much. So you end up with something like this. Now you're going to pick up 2 more 8O. I'm going down through this 2. And again up through this. I just want to reinforce this part. And then down again through all the beads. So now, because I like to work like this from this side, I flip my work, but you don't have to. So now you have 3 beads on one side, 3 on the other. I want you to think like right angle weave units. So right angle weave units, they have 4 beads. So imagine these are 4 beads. The first 2 and the other 2. We need to add the crystal right here. Then if I cover this, we have other 4 beads. We need the crystal right here. So basically, you have to add the crystal after each sets of 2 8O. So let me show you. So our thread is exiting here. I'm going to pick up a crystal, and I'm going to go through this 2 right here. And I'm going to pull. Let's see. If I put it from down, the up 3, the crystal will be situated right here, and I don't like it so much. So now we're going to pick up 2 more 8/0, and we're going to go down 2 beads. So from now on, we're going to enter in a routine, and everything will be super repetitive. So I pick up 2 8/0 beads, and I went down 2 beads. Now it's time to add another crystal. So I will pick up a 2 millimeter crystal. My thread is exiting this 8/0 right here, and I will go up parallel through the same bead, parallel from where my thread is exiting, up 3. So all the time you're going to go down 2 beads, and you're going to go up 3. That's the sequence. And I'm going to go up just like this. And when you pull, make sure the crystal is going to sit nice and tight right here. Okay, now we're going to pick up 2 more 8/0 seed beads. Again, we're going down 2 beads, 2, like this. I'm going to pick up a crystal, 2 millimeter, which is taking usually longer because they are black and it's very hard to check. Okay, now you see the thread. I'm just checking where it's the parallel place, like this, and I'm going up the last 3 beads. So down 2, up 3, just like this. And again, I'm going to pull, and I'm making sure my crystal is going to snug between this 8/0. So you see it's starting to form already. So you're going to do this all the length of the bracelet. Pick up 2 8/0, go down 2, like this. Make sure they sit nice like this one, and then pick up a crystal, 2 millimeter. Let's see. And then I will go up 3, the last 3 8/0 you have on this side. You see, like this. And again pull and snug the crystal in the middle. Again 2 8/0, go down 2, just like this. Now pick up a crystal and go up through the last 3 8/0 beads on this side. So all the time you go down 2 beads and up 3. The only difficult thing with this project is to make sure when you pull the thread, it's going where it's supposed to do and not behind the previous crystal. So there you have it. Pick up 2 more 8/0 seed beads, go down 2, like this, pull, make sure they sit nice and tight, pick up a crystal and go up 3, like this. And again, make sure you pull tight. So you see how they start to form this nice line in the middle of the bracelet. I will show you one more time. So pick up 2 8/0, go down 2, and then pick up a crystal and go up 3. Now it's so much easier because the beads are sitting in its place, and it's so much easier to just move along. So go down 2 beads, pull, pick up a crystal and go up 3. And you see they start to sit very good, and it's very fast stitch, and that's why I think it will make a very nice gift, because you can totally do a couple of this in an evening especially if you're going to change the color of the crystals. The results will be different each time. So I'm going up to these three. So there you have it. You're going to do this until you have the desired length, and I will meet you in a second to show you how to add the clasp. Welcome back. So this is my bracelet. In the meantime, I decided to go for a black clasp because I like how it's looking with the black crystal in the middle. It's a magnetic clasp, and I already attach on this side. I will show you immediately how to do it. Which thing I want to add is that I forget, you have to add two 15 O's right here. If you want to, it's not necessarily, but I forgot to mention in the material list, but I will put in the description box. So you need 250 on each side of the clasp. So now let me show you. Your thread is exiting one of this 8-0 bead right here. You're going to pick up a 15-0 bead, a 15-0 Toho. Then you're going to pick up your clasp, your other side of the clasp, in my case, just like this. It's very, very, very simple. Then another 15-0, and you go directly through this 8-0 right here. And when you're going to pull, as you can see, the clasp will sit very nice in the middle of these two 8-0s. So from here, you just have to reinforce. If you want, you can move in the back, it's easier to see. So you're going to go through a couple of Toho like this, and then I will go on the other side. I went 3 Toho down, I will go 3 up, just like this, and then I will go through the 15-0. Let's see, through the 15-0, through the clasp, through the other 15-0, which in my situation move on the other side, but I will make sure to make it stay on this side that I wanted to, just like this, and through the couple of the 8-0 on this side. So there you have it, and then you're going to reinforce 2-3 times, as many times you think it's needed, and that's it. So I will meet you in a minute after I reinforce my half of the clasp, and I will show you the final results. So this was the project for today. I hope you enjoyed, because it's a super easy and super fast, and also very versatile stitch. I want to mention that I work already on a design for a necklace and some earrings for the same set. I think I will go with these earrings as for set. It has crystals on all 4 sizes. It's very, very nice. And as for the necklace, I went with this design. So I attached 2 bands of 8-0, and I just add drop bead right here. So already I'm working on this project. If you want to see them next week, let me know in the comments. Otherwise, I will go with other designs, and I will show you the necklace, maybe with the green and gold, and the earrings in future tutorials. Until next time, take care and bye bye.